pattern is in and of itself the reoccurrence of the coincidences. So if coincidences reoccur, it has a pattern. And we all know that everything that has a pattern has a law. And if it has a law, the law can be replicated. So we know it's not coincidence. We know with absolute certainty it's not coincidence. We know that there's a deeper underlying phenomenon that governing the mechanisms of these germinating coincidences, because coincidences sort of, it's organic. Coincidences organically germinate. So there's a sort of organic germination with coincidences. You know, if you proactively pursue, it doesn't occur. Now, from a metaphysical perspective, they attribute it to synchronicity. So synchronicity basically, inevitably, buys into the same definition of coincidence, but it adds a second layer: mind and matter, substance, and its attributes. You know, this is actually the area of philosophy where we study the fundamental nature of reality: mind and matter, substance, and its attributes. So we know all commonality, all coincidences share a single commonality across the board, and that is a holistic. It's a holistic. This is not even unanimously. This is just invariably across the board in all